History. The Caterham Automobile Company traces its roots back to 1967 when it was founded by Graham Nearn. Originally, Caterham Cars operated as a dealership for Lotus 7 sports cars in Caterham, Surrey, England. However, in 1973, Nearn purchased the rights to continue manufacturing the iconic Lotus 7, effectively becoming a manufacturer in its own right. Caterham's dedication to lightweight sports cars became the hallmark of its brand. Early success. Caterham's early success was synonymous with the Lotus 7, a minimalist sports car that prioritized driving purity and agility. Nearn's decision to continue production of the 7 paid off as the model garnered a dedicated following of driving enthusiasts. The 7's blend of lightweight design, sharp handling, and open-top thrills made it an iconic sports car. Best inventions. While Caterham Cars remained true to the Lotus 7's heritage, the company's best invention is arguably the evolution and refinement of this classic model. Over the years, Caterham continuously improved and modernized the 7, keeping the essence of the original but enhancing performance, safety, and comfort. Their dedication to preserving the purity of the driving experience while meeting modern requirements was a noteworthy achievement. Recent developments. In recent years, Caterham has expanded its product lineup beyond the classic 7. They introduced models like the Caterham 21, a 2-seater convertible, and the Caterham SP 300R, a closed-wheel sports prototype designed for track use. These additions demonstrated Caterham's willingness to explore new avenues while retaining their commitment to lightweight, high-performance cars. Current status. Caterham Cars continues to produce a range of sports cars, with the 7 remaining the core of their lineup. Caterham is still known for offering various 7 variants, catering to different performance levels and customer preferences.